Hi, how are you? I'm Stella, I'm from Germany, and I'm gonna show you our beautiful house in Patio Bonito today. This is the area where we live in, the street, and this is the house from the outside. We live really close to exit to Estación Poblado, and everything we need is basically right around the corner. Even Parquilleras is really close. But today I'm gonna show you our house from the inside. This is our first room. As you can see, this room has everything we need. We have our own closet, we have our bed, and this room even has its own bathroom. Our next stop will be the kitchen. We have two fridges for the kitchen, and we have two areas where we can cook. There's one area, the other one is here. The kitchen is a really important place for us because we always cook together, and here we have a lot of fun. But this house has 17 rooms. I will show you the rooms. Hi Ivo, how are you?
Good, and you?
We have many bathrooms, we have many rooms, but unfortunately only a few people of us live here right now. So 70 rooms, but we only have 7 people here. Now I'm gonna show you our beautiful patio. Oh, hi Julie! You're enjoying your time here? This is basically a place where we hang out all together, where we spend our time in quarantine, and we even have a hammock where we can relax a little bit. This is not a really important place, it's just our laundry place. Oh, Ivo, what are you doing here? Antoine, what's the plan? Like you can see, this house is a place for a lot of things.
It's a barber shop. So I'm going to show you downstairs. You can go downstairs. You can put your clothes to dry. Go downstairs. Here we have the laundry machines. Here we have a ping pong table where people also are working. 2 bathrooms. As you see, 17 rooms. This is the last one. Here other rooms. 2 other rooms. And yeah, that's basically it.
We hope you enjoyed the house tour and you got a good impression of how we live here.